with Blake from Outlier Ventures. It is going to be a recorded talk as well, and I think we are ready to get that underway shortly.
Hello, HackFS. My name is Blake Lazensky, and I'm the program manager of the Filecoin Basecamp program at Outlier Ventures. I'm very honored and humbled to be presenting in front of you today, and let me tell you why. Protocol Labs teamed up with Outlier Ventures to bring you a dedicated version of our core Web3 startup acceleration program, Basecamp, dedicated to startups and projects that leverage IPFS, Filecoin, libp2p, or any other part of Protocol Labs stack in their tech. And it's quite important because as Basecamp, we helped 70 companies raise over $140 million in seed capital, and we've reached a combined total valuation of our portfolio at the level of $1 billion. At the peak of the bull market run, I believe it was closer to $3 billion because we're really not afraid of token investments. So what do you get if you apply to Basecamp, and why should you consider it as a way to 10x your startup? You get $50,000 upfront investment from us, as well as a chance for a follow-on investment at $250K. You get help with all aspects of your business that I'm going to get into later, as well as access to our network of leading Web3 mentors, as well as investors. So you can apply directly on our website, or you can book an office hours call with our team to discuss why we think Filecoin Basecamp is the logical next step in the development of your project. All HackFS team's submission will be considered a priority. So let me tell you more about Basecamp. It's a fully remote 3-month program that allowed us to condense 8 years of organizational learning at Outlier Ventures. Everything from legal setup, jurisdiction, token design, distribution, governance, tech, hiring, community and marketing, anything you can imagine to make a Web3 startup widely successful. This particular program, the Filecoin Basecamp, focuses on 3 key areas for Filecoin technology: financialization of the open data economy, anything regarding data commodification, DeFi apps, DeFi privacy layer, as well as using storage contracts and compute contracts to create a new class of financial instruments. The second theme is very close to our core thesis, the Metaverse OS, and it's all about NFT experience and Metaverse persistence. It goes from large NFT assets like virtual worlds and 3D printing models to making the metaverse persistent and interoperable, for example, by helping track NFT data across virtual worlds. Last but not least is the Cloud 2.0 decentralized storage and compute theme that includes all of the use cases that are typically associated with Filecoin, retrieval market, storage market, client and miner matching, to cases like distributed AI as a service. So we provide this customized entrepreneurship support to Web3 startups. And you might have heard about some of our successful alumni, such as Dia Data or Boson Protocol. I believe each of them is around 500 million market cap right now, depending on the market prices. So how do we do it? Well, it's all about what we call the 3 Ps. It's about process, essentially goal setting, helping you track progress and move through key elements of your flywheel, activities that bring the most value to your business, and helping you reach operational excellence. It's about people, the people we have in the company that are leading world-class experts in all of the areas of business that I mentioned before and give you one-on-one focused attention. And finally, our mentors. We have an amazing network at Outlier Ventures, but you also get access to the network of Protocol Labs, as well as successful founders that took their projects to fruition and know the challenges of Filecoin and Protocol Labs stack. And finally, it's about partners. It's about exchanges we partner up with, startup communities we work with, other startups and alumni of Outlier Ventures, but most importantly, investors. I believe at Outlier Ventures, fundraising is our key strength. We have you pitching to investors early on, and we hope to have you fully funded by the end of the program. We have some heavy hitters interested in the Filecoin Basecamp specifically, from Sequoia Capital to Union Square Ventures, Fenbushi Capital, OKX, or Wobby Ventures. So do not wait. Apply today because it's only 3 days left till the application deadline. You can do it by going on the link you have on the slide or scanning the QR code. The process is on a rolling basis. So again, you get a bit of an advantage if you apply early. The whole process is done fully remotely. Essentially, you're speaking to us and clarify on your market and product, and then we loop in an OV domain expert to focus on specific aspects of your business during the due diligence process. Feel free to book office hours with us or reach out to me on Twitter at BlakeBeyond, on LinkedIn at Blake Lesensky if you have any questions. And without further delay, I invite you to apply, and happy hacking.